Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a little while, but we are back with our videos. So in this video today, I'm going to be using this blow dryer from Revlon to blow out Camilla's hair. I purchased it recently, but I haven't used it on the kids' hair yet. That's what we're going to be doing today. So yeah, let's jump straight into the video. So we are ready to go, and as always I'm going to section her hair into different parts. I just find it so much more manageable and easier to work in small sections. So I'm going to split it in half and work from the back to the front of her hair, and this would allow me to get through it seamlessly. So yeah, now once I've sectioned it to my liking, I'm gonna get my phone out, and yes, we're gonna be timing this today because I'm hoping that I can save some time on how long it usually takes me to blow her hair out. Generally we can look at anywhere between 45 minutes to an hour, so I'm hoping I can save some time with this one, but we'll see. So yeah, once I have my section at the back out, this is a DIY hair spritz that I made that I like to use in her hair, and I'm just applying some of that to her damp hair, just finger detangling a little bit because it's already detangled, and yeah, we just begin. So I'm really hoping that this gives us a nice blowout on her hair. I find this brush, as many of you may have seen, I used it in my own hair and I really like the results that I got. So I'm hoping that I get the same results with Cam's hair by using it. And I just begin at the back, and as you can see, her hair is really well detangled, so it's very easy to blow out. And once I'm finished with a section, I just twist that up out of the way, and then we're going to continue onwards. So once again, I just get down a section of the hair, do the same thing, apply the spritz to it, finger detangle it a little bit because it's already detangled for the most part, and then get the blow dryer on and blow out this section of hair that I'm ready to work with right now. And the good thing that I've found with this when using it in my hair is that it also helps to detangle the hair, and it does not pull the hair out. So it's amazing. But yeah, so far so good. I really like how the first section turned out, and I'm just gonna continue to take my time, make sure that I hold on to her hair from the root so that her head wouldn't be, you know, like falling back, or I won't be tugging on her head. So yeah, just speeding that up, and we are blowing out this section. I forgot to mention as well that I have it on the second setting. There are 3 settings, and I have it on the middle one. So once I've finished this other section, I just grab back the one that I previously did and just twist it up, and I'm gonna do some more and I'll be back. So yeah guys, this is this first side completely finished, and already you can see how silky it looks, how bouncy and shiny and soft, and I just love it. Yeah, it looks amazing. So yeah, let's just now carry on. I'm just gonna twist this section up and put a clip on the end and just, you know, get it out the way so we can move on to the other side. So I'm ready to work on the other side of her head, and we're just going to repeat the same process to make sure the hair is very moisturized and protected. So I'm using the spritz, massaging that in and making sure there are no knots that I missed, and then I begin to blow out that section of hair. And I really try my best to like hold on to the hair so her head doesn't fall back like her neck, because I know that can be a bit painful sometimes for kids to experience that. So I try my best to make sure that I protect her neck or her back from like rocking backwards. It's not a good look. But anyways, yeah, moving on, and I'm doing the same process to the rest of her hair. I think I found a little knot there and I just detangled it as I was blowing out. But I really like how quick and easy it is to use this brush on her hair, and at the setting that I had it at, it was definitely not too hot. And now we're almost finished. I just have like one big section left at the front that I'm gonna break down into like 2 sections and blow this out as well. But it was very easy to use in her hair, and I found that, you know, the process was very simple, especially that her hair was previously detangled. It always makes it so much easier, and breaking it down into small sections that you can work with also aids in making the process run very smoothly and quickly on her hair. But yeah, I really like the results that I was getting using this brush, and voila, she is completed, finished, finito. It is done. Yes. So let's see how long it took with this. And I also took some breaks in between that I didn't stop my phone. So let's see how long it has been. And there you go, guys. It's just under 30 minutes. 29 minutes and what, a few seconds into to a half an hour. So I think I did pretty good, and I'm just now quickly showing you the brush at the end so you can see for yourself how much hair came out. Not much at all. That was probably the knot that I confronted in the middle of her head, but not bad at all. And a bit of like dust from the product, from the heat hitting it, but other than that, perfect. So guys, that is pretty much it. I just love how her hair blew out, and she loved it as well. There was no pain, all fun, all smiles, and her hair looks amazing. But thank you guys for watching. Comment down below and let me know what you think. Bye.